Hi everybody from YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can factory reset your new Sony WF-C500. So check it out. So first, obviously we have to take it out from the case. After that, we're gonna press and hold the buttons of both the left and right units of the headset for about 15 seconds. The indicators blue on the headset repeatedly flash twice in a row, and then the indicators orange start flashing. After that, we're gonna release the fingers within 5 seconds after the indicators start flashing. Finally, we're gonna press and hold the buttons of both the left and right unit of the headset within 10 seconds after the indicators on the headset light up. After a few seconds, the indicators blue on the headset flash 4 times. Then our headsets, as you can see, are ready to pair again with our device. So, that's been all. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, so check it out.